Usually warteg 5.000, di sini warteg 100.000.
Ayam gulai and nasi.
Tadi katanya bilang, katanya kalau misalnya datang harusnya bilang-bilang. Ini tadi banyak banget yang udah sold out ya. Jadi hidangannya udah banyak banget yang udah laku.
We're gonna drink with this. Apapun
Teh botol.
makanannya, minumannya, teh botol sosro.
Weh.
Kenapa minumnya teh baru?
Meskipun di Australia ya.
What's up, Bor?
Welcome back to
International Food Boy.
Wadidaw!
Yeah, so I'm Sota. We're here at Kingsford on Anzac Parade.
I'm Niko and we are going to Indonesian restaurant SEDAP RASA.
I'm Jessica and we're going to this Indonesian restaurant that sells really good nasi campur,
Oh.
Padang style. So their main food is the rendang and curry, but there's other food that's really good as well. It just hits home, you know?
Yeah.
Like, it just hits the spot because it's just like the experience of everything mixed together, and it just feels like home.
By the way, Bor, they are student actually. They are student from University of New South Wales. Yeah, you graduated.
New South Wales, Sydney.
Oh my God! And I'm not the one. Only me. I'm not the student.
I know I'm not the only one.
But yeah, that's fine. Now I'm just a blend. So this restaurant is quite famous for Indonesian people or local,
Yeah.
to taste this food, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
When they okay.
Because of the cheap price and the good quality. They have a variety of food.
Location as well.
So we actually arrived, Bor. So this one is SEDAP RASA. Have a look inside.
Yeah, yeah.
SEDAP RASA merupakan salah satu tempat makan Indo yang berada di Sydney, Bor. Tempat ini lumayan terkenal gitu untuk beberapa mahasiswa dan orang-orang lokal yang tinggalnya sekitaran Kingsford, Bor. Kayaknya sih karena tipenya yang ala carte, jadi pelanggan tuh bisa milih kayak mau pilihan apa aja. Dan sebagai orang Indonesia kayak warteg Indo gak sih? Harganya pun juga cukup terjangkau, jadi cocok lah ya untuk kantong mahasiswa.
Halo. Iya. Salam kenal. Oh iya. Have you ever tasted here?
I have, yeah.
Me,
Oh,
every
good.
week.
Oh, every week.
2 to 3 times a week.
Twice a week.
Twice a week minimum.
Twice a week?
When I'm craving, 3 times a week.
What would you recommend?
Caisim is my favorite.
Caisim.
What is Caisim?
This is a combination of vegetable with egg with tomato. So like,
okay.
I don't know what kind of vegetable it is, but it just tastes good.
So Niko just said this is like a warteg, but premium warteg.
This is a premium warteg.
How many choice?
I'm going for 2. One vegetarian and then one like chicken curry. Yeah. This place. This one right here. I don't know what it's called.
What is that? Oh, saya Lodeh.
Lodeh.
Ayo Lodeh atau lontong?
Lodeh, lontong lagi. Salah ngomong salah.
Ayo. Iya.
Aku sering pesenin juga, ini juga enak.
Itu juga enak ya. What about the other one? That's a chicken curry ya?
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Thank you.
So can you explain the price?
Yeah, so the basic price is 8.5 if you order rice with one meat or one vegetable.
Okay.
But the price gets more pricey. It depends if you get meat or vegetable. So usually we order 3 choice, $15. Can be 2 meat and 1 vegetable.
So alright, Bor. So I'm gonna get 2 choices.
Yeah.
Yes, the first one I would like to get rendang, please. The first one rendang. Udah lama aku nggak makan rendang. Ayam gulai, okay. Two meat. I got beef and I got chicken.
Wow.
And also can I get sambal? Sambal. Ini
Mas Teddy, which part of orang Sunda, Mas?
I don't know. I don't even know.
Dari mana?
Because I can't speak Japanese, I can't speak Sundanese. I stay in Bekasi.
Kasi is from another planet.
Yeah, some people said so. So what do you get? Sota, what do you
I don't
get?
know. I don't know the names of it, but
Oh, lodeh, ayam, nasi.
There you go.
Lodeh.
Paling hafal ya.
Nih, nasi, singkong, ayam, caisim, sama sedikit lodeh. 4, kali ini 4.
Oh, 4 choices? You got 4 choices?
Ya, karena ayamnya kecil, ya minta ekstra aja. Kalau ini nasi, ayam goreng, sama terong. Ini 2 choices.
Sama kuah.
Oh, this is 2 choices?
Sama kuah, kari.
How much for your...
13,5. 13,5.
Kita apa ini leader Kingsford?
Ini, this is $15, this is 13.5. This is 13.5.
Now this is 15 because I
Oh,
got
15 because you got two.
Oh, two.
And then
But this one,
for you
What about
is
mine?
13.5. So you cuma chicken and rendang, two meats,
okay.
13.2 meats.
Wow.
No, sorry, $14, two meats.
Alright, can we dig in?
makan semuanya.
Let's go.
No drama here. No drama, yeah.
Really good. I come here like, I don't know, once a week. I come here once a week right now.
What about you, Jess?
Me, I usually get takeaway, but I think eating here is better because everything's sort of like mixed, like eating nasi padang.
Yeah.
So,
And normally
yeah.
when you are having here, the portion is gonna be more.
Porsi kuli we say.
Yeah. I don't know why that perception still. Yeah. Yeah. Maaf ya Tan. Walah, makasih loh Tan. Wah, dapat sponsor. Makasih loh ini. Wah, ini by the way kita campur-campur ya bahasa Inggris ya. We are using mixed language.
My English jaksel.
Gado-gado. Oh, English Jaksel ya. Oh ya. Anak gaul Jaksel.
Actually, I'm not from Jaksel, but I know people from Jaksel campur-campur.
Jadi aku dapat rendang ya. Rasa rendangnya tuh benar-benar beda sih. So normally when I tasted rendang in CBD, the taste is not like this. I don't know how to describe it. By the way, guys, because you were alumni of University in Sydney, do you think it's hard studying here in terms of the curriculum or something?
But everything is expected to be independent, and they have a lot of resources to help you learn independently.
What major did you learn last time?
Actuarial studies.
Huh?
You don't know what that is? It's
What was that? What's in bahasa?
Aquaria.
Actuaria? I never heard.
That's a new one.
Ah, that's the new one.
You use that in insurance to do statistical modeling and to determine the premiums.
So you work now, yeah?
Yeah,
What do you do?
I'm an actuarial analyst now.
Oh wow, it sounds promising. Sounds promising. So Jess, what did you learn in University of Sydney?
Yeah, University of Sydney. I did sports science
Sports
for 3 years.
science.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So I don't know. I think when I see my friends in Indo, especially who went to UI or ITB or like the government university, I think they struggle more. They tell me they sleep only like maximum 6 hours per day.
What?
While in here, at least for me and Sota, we come to uni for like 16 hours, only a week, and then the self-study that's recommended is 1 to 2 hours per 1 hour. So like each week you study for, let's say, depending on how diligent you are, 25 to 35 hours per week. So a lot of people here actually do part-time, 10 hours, 20 hours. Some people even do 40 hours.
Oh wow.
Working while studying full-time. So I think it actually opens more room for us to get experience. So I think not as difficult as Indonesia, but probably different.
Struggle. Huh?
Yeah, different struggle because living alone and
Yeah.
figuring everything out.
Oh my God, Sota already.
So fast.
Is this smell us?
Yeah.
Take. What did you study? University?
University ya.
Belajar apa?
Belajar apa?
Business.
Oh, bisnis.
Which university?
So in Unpad, I got Diploma 3 accounting. Then I continue my study in France for 1 year, but only for 1 year.
Itu yang
Yeah.
belajar gabungan.
Yeah,
What is-
dia dapat degree.
What is French?
Do you speak Japanese?
He can speak Japanese?
Yeah, because he was born in Japan.
But he cannot write in Japanese, but he can speak Japanese. Unique situation.
I can speak.
Oh my God, udah habis nih ya.
I know. The terong balado is so good. I even got 2.
Sekarang Balado ya.
Yeah, balado, I don't know. It's just so
Yeah.
good, and then terong just absorbs everything.
What about from you, Nick?
Caisim.
Caisim ya?
Caisim is a must, that's my favorite. Caisim, and you can get the tempe kacang.
Dia udah habis ya, Bro. Udah habis nih.
And the ayam gulai is pretty good, but unfortunately I finished my meal.
Yeah.
So you can see the remaining chicken
Yeah.
for references. So this is ayam gulai, this is rice,
And the kuah is finished.
and the
Everything has a
and the kuah is like the curry.
And what about you, Sota? You like which one?
I like everything here. I like everything here. I always have something different when I come here.
You
So.
already finished the second plate.
Mine, I got tadi nasi rendang sama ayam ya. Rendangnya is pretty unique, maybe the first time. So when you see the texture of the rendang, it is pretty easy to, I don't know, like cabik-cabik ya. Cabik-cabik apa ya?
Kayak lembut gitu, gampang gampang dipisah.
Yeah, fall apart.
easily.
It's pretty easy to fall apart. And then for gulai, it's pretty good also. But this is really like nasi padang. When you eat it, the price is pretty affordable as well. Like so kita udah we finished our food, and thank you so much for watching ya. Thank you so much guys for coming with me, and don't forget to
Like,
Comment.
Subscribe.
thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Bagus.
Where is Sota? Over here. Bye bye.